Okay, so Assalamualaikum and good evening. Okay, so we are in week 9. So kita dah masuk week 9, minggu ke-9. And for this week, we will cover a topic regarding differentiation. Okay, still if you still remember that I already mentioned in the previous video, in the last week, I mentioned that we have two types of differentiation. Okay, the first one is analytical and the second one is numerical. So for the analytical, I already explained, I already briefed it in the previous video, in the what we call the last week punya topic lah. Okay, so for this week, okay, we are still in differentiation. Okay, this is new chapter lah. Okay, new chapter, differentiation in numerical. Okay, last week is analytical. So basically this topic call it as numerical differentiation lah. Okay, so this chapter is about numerical differentiation. Okay, numerical. The keyword here is numerical. Okay, so I hope that you can differentiate between the analytical approach and also numerical approach. So what's meant by numerical differentiation? Okay, numerical differentiation is something that we want to estimate. Okay, estimating the derivative. Okay, derivative of a function at a specific point. So numerical differentiation ni maksudnya jawapan yang you dapat nanti when you go through the process, is not the exact value lah. Dia bukan jawapan yang tepat. It's just a approximation. Sebab dia pun the definition pun mention is just estimate. So when the word estimate means it's not the accurate one lah. Okay, so this is what's mean by numerical differentiation. Okay, so it's totally different. Maksudnya dia memang totally berlainan dengan cara yang kita belajar selama ni, which is product rule, quotient rule, semua tu kan. Okay, it's not here. Tak ada pun benda tu dalam numerical differentiation. Maksudnya if you can see later on, okay, bila saya dah brief nanti you boleh tengok dia tak ada pun berlakunya pembezaan tu. Maksudnya differentiation tu tak berlaku pun kat sini. Tapi topik ni is regarding differentiation. So nampak macam a bit weird, tapi itulah dia punya reality on what's the meaning of numerical differentiation. Okay, alright. Okay, so we start. Okay, you can refer to your slides. You can refer to the slides and then you can listen to my video to make it you get more understanding lah on this topic. Because tapi in the slide dia banyak brief on how to get that formula. So for ours, kita punya ni tak adalah soalan yang suruh you show how the process of to get the formula. It's just you use the formula. Okay, use the formula to get the answer. Okay, so maybe you can skip lah a few pages in the slides. So macam the revision of the formula semua tu you tak perlulah nak. You just go through, tapi tak perlu pun nak too deep on that one. Okay, okay, alright. So I start first. Okay, so you can see on the first page, I think. Okay, after the lesson outcome, okay, it give you the definition what is the numerical differentiation. Okay, and then okay, we have, okay, kalau kita tengok kat situ lah, dia ada 3. First one is forward, and then backward, and then centered. Okay, so means that for the numerical differentiation ni, they have 3 different formula. Okay, the question can ask you to find the numerical differentiation using forward. Okay, using forward formula, backward, and also central. Okay, some textbook use central, some textbook use centered. Okay, and maksudnya sama lah, centered and central. Okay, so forward, backward, center ataupun central. Okay, and then okay, understand these 3. Okay, dia bukan 3 formula ni saja. Okay, dia ada lebih kurang 1, 2, 3, 12. Okay, they have 12 formula that you need to know. 12. Okay, 12 tu datang dari mana? Okay, you can see the okay, you refer to your slides. Sebab saya rasa saya tak boleh nak tulis kat sini. Okay, you can refer to your slides. Okay, the basic one, the main here is a forward, backward centered. Okay, these three is formula, but they have two types. Dia ada lagi dua jenis, which is first order or first derivative, okay, and second order or second derivative. So maksudnya kalau first order ni bermaksud you differentiate only once. Maksudnya differentiate sekali. Tapi maksudnya itulah, maksudnya untuk first order maksudnya dia nak cari f prime lah. Okay, for second order f double prime. So, okay, if the question dengar, listen carefully. If the question asks you to find the first order forward, so maksudnya you kena tengok first order forward. Kalau dia if the question asks you to find the second order backward, contoh first second order backward, so means that you need to refer to the specific punya formula, which is second order backward. So bila you tengok kat sini, tadi saya just cakap ada 3. I mean the total is 12, right? Okay, 12 formulas that you need to know. But at the first, jadi saya beritahu ada 3, forward, backward, centered. But now when we split into 2 here, they have 2 types. Means that for first order, dia akan ada 3 ni. So they have 3 already. And then for the second order, they also have another 3. So it means that they have 6 formula now. Okay, 6 formula, 6 different formula. Okay. Okay, maksudnya macam ni saya ulang balik. Just now I said this is the 3 formula, the basic one, Okay, then after that we have 2 types, the first order and second order. So the first order they have these 3. Okay, maksudnya untuk first order dia ada 3 ni, forward, backward, centered. Same goes to second order. Second order also they have 3 formula, forward, backward, centered. But the different formula maksudnya setiap satu tu berlainan dia punya equation. Tapi maksudnya nak cakap untuk first order dia akan ada 3 forward, backward, centered. Sama juga dengan second order, they have also 3 formula, forward, backward, centered, and it's a different formula for each. So means that now total that you need to know the formula now is 6, R6. Okay, 6 formulas. Okay, then what else? Okay, tadi saya cakap ada 12 semua. Okay, selain tu untuk first order ni pula dia ada what we call it as dia ada accuracy dia. So I declare as a normal accuracy and high accuracy, normal and also high. Okay, nanti saya explain later lah apa tu normal dengan high pula. Okay, they have normal, same goes to second order and also high. Accuracy lah, masa tak cukup space lah. Okay, accuracy. Okay, so I repeat again. For the first order now, they have another 2 different types, normal accuracy and also high accuracy. Same goes to second order. Second order also they have 2 types, another 2 types, normal and also high, and each of it have a different formula. So kat sini bermaksud, okay, ayat saya macam ni the question asks you to find first order normal accuracy forward, itu satu, and then first order normal accuracy backward, 2, and the third one is first order normal accuracy centered. So they have 3, right? And then first order high accuracy forward. So you have 4. And then first order high accuracy backward. So they have 5. And first order high accuracy centered. So they have 6. Okay, 6, right? So means that for the first order part only they have already 6 formula. So the same thing for second order. So second order pun akan ada 6. So total up we have 12 formulas in this chapter. Okay, maksudnya dia akan ada 12 formula that you need to know. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is what you will face lah for this chapter. Okay, maksudnya akan ada 12 formula. And then all these formula, I mean for me, this chapter is simple, seriously simple. Just they have a lot of formula that you need to know. You need to memorize. Because now on kita dah online kan, so open book basis, so means that you tak perlu pun nak menghafal setiap satu. Just you need to know the keyword of each of the what we call the formula. Like normal accuracy, high accuracy, so on. Dia tak semestinya bagi you dalam bentuk statement normal, high, tak. Dia bagi bentuk simbol. Okay, simbol So now we go to that one. Okay, so I think you can skip lah a few pages macam ni. Dalam ni tak perlu terus avoid. Okay, so you just jump to, kalau you tengok slides, you can jump to 6.5. Okay, so the formula. Okay, kat situ dia lebih formula untuk first order derivative. Okay, so you can refer to the slide now. Okay, so they have first order derivative kat sini, and then they have 3 formula: forward, backward, and centered. Forward, backward, and centered. And inside the bracket, kalau you boleh tengok inside that, saya tulis lah. They have a forward. So now we do for first order. We do for the first order. So forward OH. Kalau you tengok, if you refer to the slide, so they have a forward OH, they have a backward OH, and also centered OH. So now for the forward, backward, centered, you can see, this one is OH square. So for forward, backward is OH, and centered is OH square. So what's mean by OH square? Now this is what they mean by accuracy. So kalau OH ni bermaksud is a normal accuracy. OH means a normal accuracy. But for centered, you can see this OH2, right? It's still normal accuracy. Normal bukan high. It's still normal. Untuk centered dia memang akan jadi OH square. How, kenapa, macam mana dapat OH square, you can refer, kalau you nak tahulah, you can refer to how the derivation process lah. Macam tadi saya cakap, you can skip that one actually. But if you want to know, you can refer back to the slides yang untuk derivation punya formula tadi. So I repeat again, this is a first order. We do it for first order. So they have 3: forward OH, backward OH, and centered OH square. And all of these are normal accuracy. So di dalam bentuk ayat tu dia tak tulislah normal, tapi kita tahu yang OH for forward, backward is represent normal accuracy, and OH square here is represent normal for centered. How the what we call the high accuracy look like? Kalau high accuracy, dia akan bagi macam ni. Forward OH square, backward OH square, and centered OH4. Can you see the difference now? This is normal, saya tulis normal kat sini, normal accuracy, and this is high accuracy. So for high accuracy, for forward and backward is no longer OH, it's now become OH square. And for centered now, it's become OH4. So this is the terms. Saya tak tulis lagi formula dia, saya just tulis dia punya term untuk forward, backward, centered, and so on. So now for this one is first order, right? So now for second order, pun sama. They have normal, they have high, exactly the same. The difference here is only on the formula. Kat sini ada formula, nanti saya tunjukkan, ataupun you can refer to the slides. So that's why I say that they have 12 formula that you need to learn, that you need to know. So yang semua ni saya dah explain lah. Kalau normal dia OH square. OH square for forward, backward ni high accuracy, and OH for center is high accuracy. Alright. So I think saya tak perlu tulis formula kat sini, because actually the formula is quite long. So but you can refer to the slides. You can refer to the slide. You can see carefully, slowly, yang mana OH, yang mana OH, and so on. You can refer to the slide. So basically they have total 12 formula. 12 formula. So I just want to proceed to the what we call to the example. But before I go to the example, okay, for today class, I want you to fill up the what you call the formula. I will attach the one file in the short question, and I hope that you can fill up that one. Okay, you can fill out that one. After you fill up, then for the next class, on the Thursday class, I will show you the example. So saya rasa better you faham dulu dia punya formula. I'm not faham lah, you just can identify each of the formula, then baru you boleh proceed dengan example lah, supaya you tak careless. Okay, alright, so I repeat, for this video, for today class, I want you to fill up the file. Okay, I will upload in the short question, so I hope that you can answer, you can fill up that table. And then for the next class, on the Thursday, so I will show you example on the video for the Thursday class. Okay, alright, see you.